India is witnessing an unprecedented startup boom, with around 1.5 lakh startups registered and more unicorns than ever before. The energy is electric, but amidst this enthusiasm, a silent threat is emerging. That is legal mistakes. One wrong move in your paperwork or legal structure can cost your startup dearly, regardless of how brilliant your idea is. Welcome to TIES, where we decode the startup ecosystem. Today, let's talk about the top 5 legal mistakes Indian startups should avoid. A startup often begins with friendship and trust, but what happens when your company begins making money, attracting media, or worse, losing direction? That's where not having a founder's agreement becomes a disaster. No matter how close you are to your co-founder, but do not miss having a formal agreement before starting. A founder's agreement should outline roles and responsibilities, equity share and vestige period, exit strategy, and decision-making rights. Without this, you risk serious disputes. We have seen startups completely dissolve because two founders could not agree on who owns what. Let's talk about wrong company structure. Many startups begin as a sole proprietorship or partnership for ease. But when it's time to scale, raise investments, or enter global market, they hit a wall. But you should know these points. Private limited company is the most investor friendly. LLP has less compliance but limited scalability. Sole proprietorship often offers no liability protection if you aim to raise capital, give ESOPs, or expand internationally. Basically, registering as a private limited company is your safest bet. But in the end, whatever you choose, make sure that you are crystal clear about your company structure. What if someone launched a copy of your app with your name and there is nothing you could do? Well, that's what happens when you don't trademark your brand or protect your IP. Many startups overlook trademarking the brand name and logo, patents for innovative products or tech, copyrights for unique content. These mistakes are common but can be really fatal, especially when you expand internationally. You would be amazed to know that only 15% of Indian startups registered their trademarks in the first 2 years. However, it should be your legal priority while starting your startup. Fundraising is often exciting for startups, but it is also where legal clarity becomes non-negotiable. Many startups lose control of their company because they signed investor documents without understanding them. You must review key documents like term sheet, shareholder agreement, cap table, and valuation reports. A poorly worded clause can give an investor 51% control or maybe leave you with no say in future holds. So be very careful. Finally, in a digital-first world, handling user data comes with serious responsibility. With laws like DPDP Bill, GDPR in the EU, and growing consumer awareness, data privacy non-compliance can lead to heavy fines. Or in worst-case scenarios, they can also lead to shutdowns. So you must ensure to collect only necessary data, have a clear privacy policy, store and use data lawfully. Trust is a currency in the startup world, so be very careful with data and avoid violating any data privacy terms. So there you have it, 5 legal mistakes that could crash your startup dreams if ignored. For more interesting and informational content about Indian startup ecosystem, press the bell icon and subscribe to TIES.